Listen, the birds are very happy today. And this week's vlog is going to share a little bit of how we've been using the lake as our bicycling alternative when the Greenways closed on April 3rd, 4th. In this vlog, I'm going to share about what we did to replace the Greenway as our bicycling location. And I'm going to share some of our local road conditions. So let's go see what matters about water cycling. So I've talked before about that we do an alternative for bike riding while everything's all locked down. And you can see we have this little pontoon paddle boat. It's nothing fancy. 2 people can paddle in it. But it really does give you a pretty good workout. Pa's got it rigged up where he can fish and I can be his trolling motor. This is the cove that we live in. And you can see we have a lot of space and paddle around on. We like our little non-fancy pontoon boat. Our grandkids love it when they come out because they like to go out and paddle around too. But we're just thankful for today. Look at how pretty it is. Peepaw's trying to fix it to where we can reach the pedals better. Sometimes my legs are too short. This is a neat little contraption Peepaw made up. He took a pedestal and put basically a chopping block on top of it, one of those thick plastic ones. He put a solar panel to a little battery charger that he puts up on top of that, and then he's got all of his little pliers and stuff that he uses for getting fish unhooked. So then he can have like an electrical system on a paddle boat. You can see how Peepaw's depth finder works. And he's fishing. Not a bad alternative when the Greenways are all closed. You can't go bike riding. We can go paddling. You can see I'm pedaling. We'll do that for an hour and a half. It makes me close all my rings. One thing that we've noticed a lot actually since our shutdown and social distancing is there's all kinds of couples that are coming out fishing. There's 2 boats right out there in the middle that are a couple, each of them are a couple on there. And we've noticed lots of dads and kids too. I know the turtle is there. There he is. He'll probably jump down in the water in a couple of seconds. He's camera shy. Kind of like Sunny. There he goes. Hopefully you guys can tell, but we have this red-tailed hawk, we think is what it is. It's a really cool little waterfall right up here in the corner of this part of the cove. We're heading back because there's weather coming. So, but we about made our hour. But this gives you a taste of what we're doing for our alternative for not being able to bike ride because the Greenways are closed everywhere. And our roads here, I'll insert a little snippet of what those look like to try to ride on, are terrible. We choose not to do that, both from our personal skill levels and safety reasons for how narrow the roads are with no sides to be able to jump off. And that guy did a good job of getting up on plane and going. Look at that, no wakes. We're at Wade Park, able to ride our bikes today. That's in a town south of where we are. And it's an awesome trail. It was too windy to do the paddle boat today. So we're riding cinder trails beside a river. This is a waterfall that runs into the river here at Wade Park, here on this trail. And this is really a nice trail. It's all ADA, and you got about, I think, 2.5 miles in one loop on it. While we were out today getting our exercise in the paddle boat, look at this really unusual cloud. Sitting out in the sun. Oh, there went another one. There were 4 turtles, now there's 3 on that tree over there. Out doing our pedaling on the paddle boat instead of biking again. Today's a good day other than being cloudy and a little chilly. But as we came around the corner, here's the pair of geese that have 3 little babies. You see how close they let us get. Here's the baby geese again. Today's the 12th of May, and I finally got enough break in the wind to where I could get out here and paddle boat again, and the babies are probably about double size in a week. Well, I'm out with my grandson doing my paddle boating, and look, we saw a dock building crane boat barge going by. That's our unusual thing that we saw for today while paddle boating.
Hiya, Girl Scout Cookie here. Hope you enjoyed the water biking paddle boat update from Memaw. And please hit like, subscribe, and notify, and stay safe. Be healthy. Bye-bye.